Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jaime and today we're going to be talking about how this is either making you a millionaire or is the reason why you're still poor and you will always be poor. So, let's get into it.
Yeah. Batman, Joker just put me on acid.
Now guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to sit here and bash the use of phones and technology in general. I think social media and technology has provided huge amounts of opportunity. It transcends all demographics. No one cares about your gender. No one cares about your age. There's really no excuse in the times that we live nowadays to not be creating wealth for yourself, to not be making a difference in the world right now. It's the reason why a lot of teenagers, a lot of 20-year-olds are creating 7-figure businesses, and it's the reason why I've been able to create my brand, and I'm gonna go on and create other brands for myself because of this thing, because of social media, because of the use of technology. However, some of you are using it to, get rich, make a difference, build a business for yourself. But for some of you, this is the reason why you'll never achieve your goals, why you're still poor, why you can't get your head around, starting a business. People's main struggle nowadays is focus. We live in a world of millions and millions of distractions, trying to divert us from our path, trying to, knock us off. But what's the main distraction? This thing right here. Some of you are mindlessly scrolling through Instagram, through Facebook, playing video games, watching Netflix on this thing, and that's getting you absolutely nowhere. I think the best way to tell whether someone is building or creating something for himself, is building a business, is by seeing how much time that person spends on his phone. If that person is spending hours scrolling through Instagram, scrolling through Facebook, and he or she tells me, I'm building this, I'm trying to do this, I can assure you that person is going nowhere. Why? Because they can't focus. They can't put their mind to one thing and go full on with it. I want you to ask yourself: does Elon Musk spend hours answering his DMs? Does he answer his tweets straight away? Does Jeff Bezos, is he gonna answer your email right away? I think he says he only has 4 apps on his phone. Christopher Nolan, one of the best directors, he doesn't even have a phone. And guys, I get it. We're not gonna be delusional here and think we're Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. And at first you have more time than opportunities. But as you start seeing more opportunities, as you start seeing the immense opportunities out there, if you start focusing, then you gotta start acting like this guys, okay? You gotta start acting like this guys, because if you think for 1 second that you can spend hours on Netflix, that you can spend hours scrolling through your Facebook feed, your Instagram feed, and reach these levels of immense success and great wealth, then you're being completely delusional. And seriously, my advice to you, if you're not willing to change this daily aspect of your routine, is to seriously reconsider how bad you want success, how bad you wanna get to that dream goal. Because it's completely fine. Like if you don't really want it that bad, then surely stop, because you're gonna waste energy, you're gonna waste time, and you're not really gonna go full in with it. So, but my advice to those who really wanna achieve those goals, who really wanna achieve great success, is to protect their time like it's fucking gold, okay? Like, you have to protect your time, because it's the most valuable thing you have. Just imagine your dream goal is right up here, and you're slowly climbing up the hill. There's gonna be a lot of shit thrown at you to try to knock you off, because we know as entrepreneurs, and if you're trying to do anything in life, that it's not easy, okay? There's gonna be people trying to knock you off. There's gonna be people trying to grab your time. But you have to say no. You have to protect your time. Because guys, it's not about money. I'm not saying protect your time to be rich. I'm saying protect your time to do the things that are most valuable to you. Protect your time so that you can spend time with your parents, so that you can spend valuable time with your friends, so that you can read the book you've always wanted to read, so that you can start that business you never go around to it, so that you can spend time with your girlfriend. But protect your time against distractions like this. That's what I'm trying to say. Because if you use this correctly, it can help you achieve your goals. It can help you take your business to the next level. But you really need to get into that deep flow state. You really need to focus. so that you can make things happen. I know there's a lot of gurus telling you out there that you have to engage with your audience 24/7. You have to answer DMs. You have to answer comments, and I agree to that. But to some extent, you need to focus and really get into that deep flow state, because if you don't, then you're never gonna get anywhere. This is certainly something that I've struggled to do myself, and sometimes I always, there's always a slip. Sometimes I'll find myself scrolling through my Instagram feed and I'll ask myself, what the fuck am I doing? But I've been able to put systems in place. I've been able to put rules in place for myself, so that I can minimize the time I'm on this thing, so that I can maximize my time and get into a flow state in which I achieve my daily, weekly, monthly, yearly to-dos. And guys, I'm not saying I reach 100% productivity. I don't think anyone does. I mean, I think you'd be blessed if you could get to 60% productivity. So ask yourself, are you gonna let this make you poor? Are you gonna let this make you not achieve your goals that you have for yourself? Are you gonna let this not hold yourself to the highest of standards? It's an easy question, guys. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wanna hear what kind of systems I put in place, what kind of rules I have for myself regarding my phone usage and my time management, and how I'm able to maximize my time and really get into that flow state, comment down below, and I'll put out a video of what I do myself. And yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that, because we've got content on entrepreneurship, branding, lifestyle, you name it. And I really think we're changing this niche forever. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah. Batman, Batman, Batman. Joker just put me on.